Hey guys, it's Emily here. So I have an unboxing video. This is a rose gold Michael Kors post, and I actually got this from eBay. I did do research, but yeah, I got it for $115. It was more, but she was able to do the price that I lower it down for me. So yeah, and I used my 18th birthday money on this, and I'm like turning 20 this year, so I had it for a while. So I'm very excited to open it, and I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. So yeah, let's open it. So I'm gonna open it like this. Sorry that you guys can't see because the address is right there. I'm using these little baby scissors I had since I was little, so sorry. But yeah, I'm super excited to open this. I saw it on this one YouTuber's video. Her name is Gabby. It's like the Nikki and Gabby show, but it's a different rose gold Michael Kors post, but I like the one that she had. So yeah, but I found another one that I like better because, as you can tell, I'm not really that goldy, but I love rose gold though. I just don't have any on me right now. So this box is really hard to open because she really taped it up, so at least that's good. So I'll put my scissors here. So opening it up, it just looks like that. And then it just says, "Thank you for your posters. We look forward to doing business with you again." This is just a receipt. Put this here. Makeup stands like right there. And then this is it. Oh god, this is like really big actually than I thought. So this is what it looks like, and it has a sticker heart right here. So let's open it now. Sorry that you guys can't see. So again, this is what it looks like. It's really wrapped really nicely. Put this over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look how shiny that is. Wow! What? This is so shiny, and the material is so soft. Like, you wouldn't think this would be so soft, but it is. So, yeah. Oh my god. So, this is the thing to put around, of course. And I'm going to unbox it a little bit, and I'll show you guys afterwards when I have everything all set up and stuff like that. So, this is what the bag looks like. It's actually bigger than what I thought it was, but yeah, this is up close. I'll show you guys outside, like when it's like sunny outside, because it's not really that sunny today. But yeah, it's super sparkly. I love it. Very rose gold, because it's not like just pink, because I'm not a fan of pink, but it's rose gold. I know that doesn't make any sense, but I love rose gold and stuff, and I just think it's so perfect. I have it hanging here, and I like the strap as well. This is the strap. Again, I'll show you guys more up close, but this is the strap. The strap is a little bit like, well, I thought it was like a different material, but it's actually the same material. It just feels like kind of rough, since it's like, you know, it kind of reminds you of a belt in a way, because the way to adjust it is like kind of like the same thing, but I have it the highest it can go up because I like this length. So yeah, pretty cute. And then of course it came with, you know, Michael Kors wrapping paper. She had it like really nice, but I unwrapped it just in case I was missing something. But yeah, and then of course it has a Michael Kors little thing to how to take care of it. So yeah, because my mom doesn't believe me that it's real. I'm like, yes it is, I did my research. But yeah, it just has that to it. And then of course, again, it has the actually tag. So this is the actually tag. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually tag. It says 178. That's what it is. It's the crossbody clutch leather. So yeah, and then in the back it says Michael Kors is proof of purchase. So yeah, But yeah, this is the tag. So yeah, and then the inside's very well. I'm gonna take this off so I can show you guys better. Sorry that I'm standing, but I'm like trying to show you guys more of this so it doesn't like focus on my face. But yeah, so this is the back, and it has a little clippy thing, and like, which is really nice because I didn't know this. You can put stuff in there, which is really nice, and then you just clip it. And then inside, it's very nice. It has a zipper. So it has a zipper in there. Very nice. And then it has some, like, you know, little like areas you can fit stuff in, of course. So yeah, I think it's really cool. It's a lot roomy. I got this so I can fit my Popo charger, and my big wallet even like fit in here. It's not a Michael Kors wallet, but I might get one actually. But I just have like a Hot Topic wallet. But yeah, I think it's really well made. Of course, I love it. And, you know, it's soft. And I really love it. And like the other one, it wasn't like this because I really like the style of a purse, or bag, as you want to call it, since it's not really a purse, but whatever. But yeah, I think it's just like really nice, and I really like the style because the other one like had like gold change, and like it was like a different kind of like, you know, bag, and this one just like matched more to me because I love sparkles and I love rose gold, so it's really, really pretty. So yeah, like I said, I'll show you guys more actually up close in the sun and show you guys all the details, because I don't know if you guys can really see with all the shadows and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll show you guys more up close, so continue watching. So here's the bag outside. As you can tell, it is really sparkly. It doesn't really show up on camera how sparkly it is, but you could just tell how beautiful it is right here. I love this bag so much. And then this is what it looks like inside. And then the straps is sparkly too. I think it's a very pretty bag. So thank you guys so much for watching.